Emmy, me not in a lie. I hope you not come on the internet and say and explain why you and Lando break up and Lando this and no come on the internet with no man problem in Emmy. Can me personally I go make you send a plane load of dopey. Me busy one African and you come out here take them here. If you see me now look on them here, Emmy with that tell it Tanaya yard. Tanaya yard. Lando same eyed theme baby and baby madam baby everybody but show up you. You know see saying have no respect and nobody now look on that. Nobody never know say Lando a baby mother. The whole public never know. Lando you see, this is the thing, you know. You see, if I had said this first openly, a lot of people that bomb rush me and say me hate Emmy. I said this to Emmy. I said, Emmy, Jamaican I love you. Number one, they don't even care about Lando. You see who bring you come here? And you know, Emmy, I'm going to say this. It's just a pity that most of us were very beautiful females. Yeah, I said it. It's just a pity that most of us were very beautiful females. You know? Beautiful females without ambition. Beautiful females without self-worth. You know? Beautiful females who are dogs and sorcerers. It's just a pity that we are. No, honestly. It's just a pity that on the outside does not reflect on the inside. It's not a reflection of the inside. It's just a pity. And this is the thing I've always been saying. Females make time to waste with males, while males seek time to make a head of a female. Wanna not get it. There is no possible way. This thing with Emmy and Landa ain't going nowhere and it look like shit. It's a shit show. It's a shit show. Unless Emmy does something in Africa and run come out here. At this summer reach by now. Unless Emmy does something in Africa and run come out here.
Female is an upgraded version of Emmy and break Emmy heart. But I'm not gonna tell a lie. I feel like Emmy is so disappointed in her life choices because Emmy don't seem genuinely happy. I don't know if the whole aesthetics and the lifestyle way Landa and Emmy are portrayed to the internet, if it's staged or fabricated or it's just for content. But I'm not gonna tell a lie. It look like a very hard life. I'm not ask Christ. It's 2026. Females private.
Emmy is quite happy. I'm telling you the truth. Emmy is quite happy. This is the thing. Emmy shame before, but Emmy quite happy. And I don't know what Emmy not used to. You understand me? Emmy make sure come out and justify and say she start from the ground, come up. So she willing to start from the African. Can't expect no better. Remember how them swap for wedding. Yeah. Lando better have him cow. You know, for that Emmy I work on for buying him cow so that them can marry. Yeah, it's true. You see, these are the things about females. Achilles people alone like and support this, you know. Achilles people alone like and support this. And if I had said this prior to now, you'd hear oh me this and oh me that. But it's when time people are look for substance and cannot get it. These are the stuff they talk about. You understand me? Them have to come back around, yeah? Them have to come back around. When everybody talk about say Emmy a real woman. Me no want be real woman for no dirty broke mean boy. London mean like I pay porridge Emmy out here drink. Liquid fufu. I pay liquid fufu Emmy out here drink. Emmy best restaurant I must say Island Grill. I'm like, okay. Okay, that just tell me how far Emmy I come from. A fufu. Then me you say jollof rice nice and you really attack to me about Island Grill and Island Grill rice and peas. It not even season. Eh? You have to eat it like you come off a construction site. No disrespect Island Grill, but that's true. So explain all of this to me now. You understand me? Sometimes we give people more than what they really and truly deserve. Okay. Sometimes we give people more than what they truly deserve. I'm telling you the truth. It's oftentimes we hype up people based on them region. And let me say region, location, them continent. Una don't talk to Lando for go walk. I understand what you're saying, but me and you alone can't say so. Me and you alone cannot say so. Remember me and you careless. Me and you alone cannot say so. Oh, cause a little boy with a baby mother una give him another relationship. You understand me? Una give him another relationship. Why Emmy out of the whole of Africa for come out here come help Lando build content and build boardhouse? Yeah? Yeah, look at the jollof rice them, look at the nice, look here people. I tell you, my mother rated the mix up. Look at the nice jollof rice. Eh? Look there. Beauty for ashes, strength for fear, gladness for mourning, peace for dismay. Eh? Look there. Beautiful jollof rice. Nyum 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 nyum. Nyum 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 nyum. They never my orange mother rate I go for name this now. Yeah. And you come out here, I'm glad everybody see the struggle. I'm glad everybody see the struggle. You know what happened with Jamaicans? No girl now go out here and go struggle with no man so. And no man now go slung in on a girl also. And the internet so hot. You know, hear them say in a share room at internet cafe. I said that's so good boy, they went name Shebada, you see. Boy, we're gonna leave the people alone. Nobody now struggle. Yeah. Nobody now sit down and get up and wake up and get up and sit down and get up and wake up and get up and struggle with nobody. It don't look good. And let me tell you something. Nobody now gonna respect Emmy when the Landa have the zip shoes there. What Lando? I wonder if a pants pocket it make out a handbag. Landa have a rotted zip suit I walk with, you know. Zip shoes, sorry. Nobody now take you serious, Emmy. Nobody now take you serious. Are you alone a play fool? Right? You know where Landa do advertise it to any kind of street boy. Can look you. Who the African? Who the African? You know much Cuban in a Franklin town around taxi? Man, yeah. I can't take the zip shoes. I can't take the zip shoes, man. Sometimes when I see me, I say, why the little boy have the handbag on him foot? Can't take the zip shoes. I don't like it. Okay, let me tell you something. Landa have a different mindset. Landa are the perfect individual where want to have up all of the cash them in the world for bury him. You know? For bury him. So when Able Boss come out and attack, why Able Boss not order some clothes off a Sheen for Lando? Why Able Boss not make Lando dress like him? And these are the stuff them dirty careless people that walk and justify. Emmy take 14 plane come here for going to Africa. I see some people in the comment about me that rather leave Africa for you know, no shake up. Mrs. Zoe come out here and rent one Airbnb downtown and the whole owner says Zoe have man. The whole owner says Zoe have man, you know. The whole owner. You see the level of disrespect when get Emmy first when Emmy arrived? A long time I see Jamaica offer them the to girl. I know every boy will live in a shack afraid for carry come here. They must say, yo, be more want come link in. That's the first thing about him I tell you. So I can't come link in. I tell you, say, yo, my place not nice, you know. Yeah, man, my place not nice. I not have it like you. God believe me, you can't even lay down on the bed. All in them time, Lord, all in them time, you know. I wonder if Lando little Rata Castle I give way. I wonder if a low line Lando live. And then Emmy she proud for in the kitchen with the window was stay so. So the window stay, you know. I say every time I see the window I cross. Every time I see the window I cross. No, for true. And Emmy I go about why Emmy me not lie? You feel be man flag. Yeah. The man feel lift you up like a banner. For true, because in the time I could never do that. Eh, me no boy now lay down and me look at lizard that come. I want that flying. Eh, me I'll wake up in the man and some wake up. I want the babes. Creek. Eh? What you say, babes? Neck. I want cricket. Watch. Oh, what you quick make it look like we book out down at Brittany. No, but I yes, you're there. Me no know. You might call in, maybe them come on in drive. Yeah. Don't know what you're gonna tell me. No, run me, Lord Jesus. I can't believe we do sometimes. That's why I not talk to you, you know. I remember play a little song first. That's why I not talk to you, man. Play one song. I can't believe we do sometimes. I don't know. Una cuss me, una run me, una call me back, una let me. Look here, una gonna leave me alone, you know. Una say Miya is an intelligent girl. So I get Miya. Nobody sending out the order. A long time TJ advertising body. What's new? Alright then now. We're not gonna ask how Miya for feel, right? You see, oftentimes we don't understand what person signed up for. You get what I say? If Miya is an intelligent girl, TJ must have sent his cocky to she, for she can say, yes man, we're gonna make a deal. So if Miya is an intelligent girl, or TJ look here, you know must expect say that is his ambition. Somebody say in the club he get her. You might think in the club if you even talk to her in the club, he must send her the hood size. That's a given. That's a given. Cause me and Miya knows so she knows that TJ always a send out him hood, you know. But maybe Uno no know. You know? Maybe Uno don't. Uno really and truly don't know. So that is the problem. What are we gonna talk about TJ and TJ's body? A long time the video they out. Long time. What are we gonna talk about him and him penis? Everybody has say oh they meet. We still not talk oh they meet. Him still sure him cocky that me I talk about. Una miss the meat of the matter. Una miss the meat of the matter. How they meet. You understand me? Him have to show the body. So when you sit down and the whole on and talk, say, TJ, baby mother come out, me can testify, say, anyhow TJ, baby mother come out for put a thing on TJ, like, for put some image on TJ, what report my life, for put some image on TJ, me can sit down here and tell me, say, Mr. TJ within pick me. Mr. TJ being or trying to be a dad with his child. So I want to make it, I want to make the correlation to the baby mother coming out, or the coming out of the baby mother. You understand me? I just want to make that. I just want to understand that. Okay, so in my Miya there, Miya must know TJ's attitude. Miya never firmly come out. Me never hear Miya firmly come out and say, TJ and my man and nobody can take him. That much me can give her credit for. Me never hear. So if you hear, thumbs up, but me never hear. You understand me? Me never hear. It's two baby, but me see my try be a father to a baby. So irrespective of two babies, he might try be a father to a baby. So me can give that much credit. However, me never hear Miya come out and say, TJ want me and nobody can get TJ. So you see, we said a lot of things about TJ's love life, and I never hear Miya come out and defend it. We say a lot of things about TJ's body. You understand me? In the vision all are we. I'm glad I look on it though. Yeah. And I never hear Miya come out and defend anything. No, ladies and gentlemen, this much we have to understand as females. You see, some of us females, we can love a man and we can have principles. You understand me? But you can see a reflection, a little reflection of us through a partner. You understand me? We might not perfect, but you can see a slight reflection through a partner. Alright now, so if Miya has never truly come out and defend TJ or defend the body that we know say she ride, you understand me? She has never done that. So with the backside the whole of we are going to talk about TJ for now. Why are we talking about TJ now? Is it to tear him down? Or for Miya feel away? Because either way we're wicked, you know? Because we have to talk something that makes sense. And talk something with sense. You say if Miya was the girl known for saying, nobody can get TJ. Me say my man body a swing like flag and no country, nah audition for use it. You understand me? We could say that, but good God, man, woman to woman, she has never yet, me never hear she come out and defend TJ's body. I've never heard that. Maya, we talk everything and defend every single thing else and go on that little body part there. And you see, even though we love chat people, we have to give them the honor in getting it. We have to do them the honor in getting it correct. You understand me? So me can't too talk about TJ and him look good body. Can body look good for sure. Me can't even talk about TJ body prettier than him though. Yeah. Prettier than him for sure. Yeah. Me can't talk about them something there. So that are stories to run with. You get what me I say? I can't do it. Yeah, it's not Maya's body out there. You know, go like a Maya clitter swing. You see, this is the thing. You don't want Maya to feel a way. And woman to woman, it not look good, it not feel good. Because at the end of the day, TJ still a stick on Maya. So what we are going to say? What are we working for here? And like Queenie and Shay, Queenie says Shay not like sex. Sometimes I can use some analogies. When I move on, we be careful, my lawsuit. Yeah, well, I'm push down Maya and beat up TJ. When I come out of my face, you see me push down Maya and beat up TJ? Yes, but I can't talk about TJ now, so we're gonna Emmy and Land. We're gonna Land. Going back to Land, yeah. For sure, with Emmy. I'm glad King said it and a whole lot more people have said it. Whole more people have said. So when Landa did want to address me, go address the zip on your shoes. Go and address the zip on your shoes. Go address the handbag where you walk on. One go address that. For a young look good boy, you're a little bit careless. And I want to know if your parents them can tell you say you're a young man or you see sometimes when you have some parents when you know better, your culture, your picnic. Finna pay attention as to growing time and changing time. Only did know that though. Did you know that a parent can really and truly teach them picnic and tattoo some things on them picnic? You never know that, and can leave some picnic mindset, can change them picnic mindset. Because as a growing child who is out there, your surrounding is comfortable to you. That's why I say ghetto people. Them always say you can identify some ghetto people, not most, because trust me, I'm born in Dubai. Yeah, you understand what I say? It's true. Because you tell me say your parents know say your woman a come, then how your father find your mother? And this is the thing that I'm saying. And this little girl here, she's going to be so comfortable. So when she go back to Africa, her place I got favor pigsty. You think a joke? Because people not realizing if you go on Airbnb, you have to inherit something. If it's even for a short ounce of time. That is how the world run. I saw the world run. But you see, you have too much big old girl on the app who claim to say them an influencer and TikToker, and them live the most careless life. So when them see it, them endorse it. Them endorse it, and it's just the truth. You can't tell me say Emmy not uncomfortable. Emmy's supposed to feel like home, like she's at home. It make me wonder how some people are live. Are them live different on social media and different in a reality? Because me now narrow down myself. Then me can have cushion right here so now. And somebody, say for instance, one boy say, yo, come spend a weekend with me now. And when me go, me a dry up water, I lie at him. Me a never dry up water. Me and you never dry up water. The fact of the matter is, oftentimes we females like to narrow down ourselves because we want to say that we are ride and die. Me no ride and die. I ride and die alone depend the app. Me no ride and die. Me no envy her so much to take her name. Me no ride and die. So cut that shit right now. If you don't notice it, Emmy will come here, you know, and waste a lot of time with Lando when she could have there in Africa. I tie out something and sell mango. You understand me? I shell peanut. You understand? A rundown animal in the safari. She could have there Africa do something, you know. Let me say this to you. Tomorrow morning, if Lando make it in a life, he want a hotter girl beside him. Maybe Beyonce. He want Beyonce beside him. And then Emmy will come outside and say, you know, man ain't good enough. Man ain't this and man ain't that. Emmy, me not in a lie. I hope you not come on the internet and say, and explain why you and Lando break up and Lando this and no come on the internet with no man problem in Emmy. Can me personally I go make you send a plane load of dopey. Oh, me personally. Me busy one African and you come out here take them here. If you see me now look on them here, Emmy with that tell it Tanaya yard. Tanaya yard. Lando same eyed theme baby and baby madam baby everybody but show up you. You know see saying have no respect and nobody now look on that. Nobody never know say Lando a baby mother. The whole public never know. Lando even make a video. He made a video stating that him keep him child off the app and anybody will put them child on the app. You understand me XYZ and my friends will have them picnic on the app, you know. No, for true, ruler of Zumunda. Yeah, King Jaffe Joffa, ruler of Zumunda. For true, look how much of them they over there, Emmy. Stay over there. You look like an asshole, but nobody now tell you. And if people do tell you, them say people are cussing. Nobody now cussing, my baby. It's just the truth. Me tell you, say Jamaican not ready for you yet. See them a warm up here. If I me like Lando, me send you home. If I even Cuba, go sit down little. Lando no want spend no money, sir. If you invite Lando one function, him wear costume and make an ass himself about then what kind of relationship we have faster here, sir? You know, she said Dolly house. I pay a costume him wear and him can't wait for turn on this and that and him window stay, sir. The same window stay. When me watching videos, so me feel look when me done. My mother what do you neck? And Abel is a big mix-up dirty Batman hypocrite. Because Abel and Landa apparently the whole of them know how Landa live. The whole of them know how Landa live. Look how them a live and look how him a live. Me no want a friend from Abel. But want Abel come now and say, no, we talk to the man. If we not talk to him, we shouldn't entertain Emmy being with him. We just as nasty and careless and hate to one another. We hate to one another. We not a friend. We is no friend. Oh, none. None. And you come out and justify about Emmy a real girl. Emmy a real girl. And your friend mean. Your friend mean and careless. Leave me alone about do it again. Your friend mean and careless. At this una subject women to. And then say una straight. All of una who claim to say una straight man pan the app and TikTokers, straight TikTokers. All of una say una straight TikTokers. Notice how una make woman take care of una and una take good care of friends. Notice una take good care of man to the point where una can come back and tell what you do and what you do for your boy. Notice enough of una batty people under these guys. Una notice. Because you rather Lando subject Emmy to that. But would you sleep with Lando in that? No, you wouldn't want to do content this able. All you walk with your jug look better than Lando kitchen. And whole heap of time Emmy come here ball for food and go like a content. Whole heap of time Emmy come here. Lando, I'm hungry. Sometimes Emmy in the house and Lando in the car. I out the door them there. Them there the gates in the car. And Emmy in the house about Lando, I'm hungry. Lando would have to go use his baby mother and do content. Lando would have to use his baby mother and do content. That are serious family content. Yes, serious family content that we want to see how young people grow in unity. So I saw you got Chica. The boy them buy the biggest car. If you're going enough boy house now, them have the biggest TV on the board wall. I saw Jamaican people think. Jamaican people think like slavery. You never know. Jamaican people think like slavery. the biggest TV on the board wall, and somebody will have them clothes in a one barrel, and the barrel never ship in them family name, nor for them name. It's not for them barrel, and beg the barrel. You never know their mindset, and that is what Landa has, because me can't believe say foreigner come a yard, and Landa mother say, my youth, you make money now, you know. Come out of the ghetto, man, and leave where you so you make money, man. No. So you make you wonder about your parents, where your parents coming from, your parents' mindset. Then me see what way me says Zandrama overread their plea cars after Jaden crashed Fairlight. Then Zandrama want flick Bellevue for me. Zandrama, and me tell everybody say you mad. Then just a see it now. So go do over that poem then my baby. Go do over the little skit the Zandrama, and me should I interview you. Remember me come bust your secret, I know them still a see it. Zandrama say she mash up the app. Me sorry I never take down the piece of video there. Zandrama, me tell you say Zandrama mad enough. Zandrama says she mash up the app. Have you seen my numbers? Eh? I'm not a ghost. I have feeling. I'm not Shibby. Shibby is a ghost. You know, see him look like dad. He's a ghost. You don't see him. Yeah, but I have feelings, and they can't manage me because remember me on the ear. Me say I laugh until I cry. Me say same thing. Me tell the people, I just see him exactly. No man, not the one. You're the one with Reedy and she. Zandrama say they see my numbers. Me I mash up the app and they know I am not afraid of any of them. I stand up to all of them. Huh? The one with Reedy, then you really want to tell her, says Zandrama. This way you look on Reedy face. I want him with money, you know. Them can't hide them emotion all the time. So. When you look on Reedy face, you know, really want to say, Zanzan, suck on drama. Suck on drama. Eh? You take your meds? What are you talking about? No, I just asked if you take your meds. Why would you ask me that? Because you talk some things when me never see yet. So me I wonder if I prophesize, suck on drama prophesy. Me just wonder if I prophesy, shall prophesy. Me say read this long I look on her and me just laugh and go away. Me just they can't hurt my feelings. They think they can hurt my feelings. Then if your feeling isn't hurt, why are you talking about it still? Mrs. Zandrama talk something. Well, if nobody now big up my love, big up yourself. She give herself some credit. She give herself some credit. I want to catch up my front in a one. I want to put my front in a ponytail. Me not tell no lie. Zandrama said, they are afraid of my numbers. Have you seen my numbers? Zandrama in one different world in a breads. Me I wonder one Zandrama course. Enough time you know. You know say enough time you say me I say. Only if they knew. Nobody not for trouble Zandrama you know. Zandrama just a course so. Zandrama cost Jaden for 6 months straight. It's a 1 entry. It's a 1 entry. She gives Jaden a visa, a 1 entry visa. I said that woman they wicked, you know. Yeah, me go put my front in a ponytail. Zandrama, no, me tell you no. Zandrama walk off a stage already and go to the middle of the road and people can't go and course. The only thing say I really smart. You know, say all owner will buy spirit. Only thing say real smarty that. Just answer the question. Only thing say that real. All owner one joking on the eye. Owner wicked you know. Yeah, of course, Zandrama make video about Bellevue when she knows that she have the medication and certificate. If Zandrama did ever there at Jamaica, I'm gonna get my mile and milk. Me a carry. Me a Cararine, I want the Susie time number. Me a Cararine, man. Yeah. One thing Zandrama well, all I wanna think says Zandrama is a well lady. Me say me don't want to listen to the video with Reedy.